Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sliding cabinet locks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Jool Baby Products Child Safety Sliding Cabinet Locks 4-pack. To have peace of mind about the safety of the kids, this pack of baby-proofing cabinet locks will perfectly suit you. The locks are great for keeping different doors locked to keep kids from unnecessary injuries. These highly versatile products are ideal for fridges, closets, cabinets, and kitchen doors. Moreover, they are crafted from durable premium material, which guarantees prolonged use and safety. You will get them simple to install and remove with no tools needed. Besides this, the pack contains 4 locks you can use on different doors to serve your demands. Moving on at number 4, we have the Adoric Sliding Cabinet Locks U-shaped Childproof Lock. For folks interested in getting the best sliding cabinet locks, here is a pack designed for you. The pack provides you with 4 high-quality pieces that will guarantee the safety needed. Besides this, they are available in other packs to get what suits your doors. The products have a quality extra long U-shaped latch to offer a maximum lock to 5 inches. Still, the locks are widely applicable to use on D-shaped plus annular handles. Moreover, these products are simple to install and remove with no tools required. They provide different benefits like ensuring the safety of the kid even when not around. At number 3, we have the Skyla Homes Cabinet Handle Locks 8-pack. This is another pack of sliding cabinet locks you will get suitable for your needs. These locks are built to withstand prolonged use from quality strong ABS plastic material, making them excellent for prolonged use. That said, the pack comes with a total of 8 locks meant for locking most doors and appliances. These products are beneficial as they allow kids to play freely without worrying about them. The locks are a breeze to install on the door handles without the use of tools, plus faster to remove. They are adult-friendly yet child-proofing to keep kids from opening the doors. Lastly, they are available at a budget-friendly cost to suit your budget. At number 2, we have the DreamBaby 3-pack Sliding Cabinet Locks. Built from durable hard-wearing plastic material, these sliding cabinet locks are great for extended use and safe for the kids. The units are great for keeping different doors like fridges, cabinets, closets, and safer from kids opening when not needed. To add more, they are a breeze to install and take off by simply push down then sliding on the door. The pack provides you with 3 locks that you will get appropriate for the appliances and doors. Again, they are widely applicable units and adjustable to ensure proper fit on most door handles. And finally at number 1, we have the QT Baby Pack of 4 baby-proofing cabinet locks U-shaped adjustable. Do you need the ideal baby-proofing cabinet locks for your appliances? Here is a set of 4 items that you will get great for your needs. These pieces are excellent to use on fridges, drawers, closets, and more. That said, the products have double safety locks that every kid will find challenging to open. Because of this, you will find them very beneficial since they aid in keeping kids plus pets safe from opening certain doors. Again, they are simple to install without the need of an expert. You just need to slip them on and off the cabinet handles. Built from safe and durable materials, these products are great for prolonged use and ensures the safety of the kids. Lastly, they are in most packs to get what will suit your cabinets. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.